Hi everyone, my name is Juan Pablo Izquierdo, and today I'm going to be talking about my project on electric vehicles and how green are they. So starting off with the first electric vehicle in the US, which was developed by William Morrison in 1890. The car reached a speed of 14 miles per hour, which not impressive in today's standards, but it was back then. The popularization of electric vehicles. Thanks to Tesla, this was made possible, which was founded by Elon Musk in 2003. Tesla is known to sell luxury electric vehicles, and the company is now worth more than $1 trillion as of 2021. People seem to love Teslas despite the price, but there are more incentives to that. The EV boom. Gas cars like Ford, Rivian, and multiple others want that piece of the EV market share, and that's why they're releasing their first lineup in 2022. Big player in the EV market, Tesla, will also be manufacturing more vehicles than they ever had, thanks to their newly finished mega factory in Texas, also known as the Gigafactory. Here, with a few incentives, the ongoing high prices, gas prices, have become a big incentive for people to switch to electric vehicles, and the California rule that will ban the production and sale of gas cars by 2035. These are a few of the reasons why gas cars wants to get into the EV market as soon as possible and start getting customers. So why electric vehicles? They're promoted to be greener than gas-fueled cars. They're much more innovative than gas cars for sure, like for example self-driving on Teslas. And there's no need to pay for expensive gas. There's also the tax credits, specifically in the state of California, for owning an electric vehicle, and their oil change is not needed because it's not a combustion engine that is used on the vehicle. So the problem with electric vehicles. First, underpaid workers and child labor. Lithium, cobalt, and nickel are the three key minerals needed to produce electric vehicle batteries, which are essential to electrical vehicles. 40,000 children are estimated to be employed in artisanal mines in the Southern Democratic Republic of Congo, including in cobalt extraction, which is a key mineral for electric batteries. And over 50% of the world's cobalt is currently produced in the Democratic Republic of Congo, using underpaid and even child labor. Pollution of mining minerals. A 2009 study published in PLOS One concluded that the global warming potential of mining and processing nickel, another essential metal for electrical batteries, was the 8th highest of the 63 metals over the previous year. The company Norilsk Nickel, which is a Russian company, emits around 350,000 tons of sulfur dioxide into the air annually by the city's nickel factory, of course. And in 2016, Norilsk Nickel made headlines when an overflow of oxidized nickel waste turned the city's Daldican River red. Fossil fuels will still be used to charge and produce electric vehicles. Believe it or not, the production of electrical vehicles, transportation of parts, charging of electrical vehicles, and even other steps in the process need fossil fuel energy still. The electrical vehicle boom of 2022, which is this year, will put pressure into our old energy grid backed up by fossil fuels as more people will be charging their cars. Mining essential minerals to produce EVs pollute the earth, and fossil fuels are used for those machines needed to mine the minerals. So, in conclusion, we're going to be using my buddy Walter as an example here. He is looking into buying a vehicle in the market, and whether it is a gas car or an electric car, he wants the best for the environment. But little does he know is that both, either way or the other, use fossil fuels in order to produce and even use on a daily basis. So it really is up to Walter to decide what is best for him economically because A, electric cars tend to be expensive, but also gas cars will be expensive too because of the high gas prices and the child labor that is included into the making of electric vehicle batteries. A few factors here and there are going to have to be considered by Walter when buying his vehicle. So, is electric really green, or is it greener than gas? So these are the real questions that Walter is asking when buying his first car, and it is difficult to know, but in moral of the conclusion is that it's not all that green like companies promote electric vehicles are. It's not 100% green. It doesn't come out of nowhere. It has its usage of fossil fuels as well. Thanks for listening.